There is a certain kind of confusion that only a woman trying to conceive will understand. Now, your body is sending those signals, right? But are they saying it's your period coming, or is it one of those early pregnancy symptoms? Sometimes you are hopeful but also scared. You feel cramp, your breasts are sore, but you usually feel these symptoms before your period. I know you're trying not to overthink it, but the truth is, every small symptom is a message from your body. A lot of women assume that until you miss your period, there is no way you can tell you're actually pregnant, but that's not true. Your body actually starts whispering long before your period is due. You just need to understand the language. And if you don't know what to look out for, you will either miss the early signs of pregnancy or mistake them for PMS, which is premenstrual syndrome. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 early signs that can help you know if you're pregnant or if it's just your period coming. And I'll be explaining each one clearly, that by the end of the video, you feel like your body is finally making sense. I am not Sandra, and on this channel, we'll talk about understanding your body, your health, and your fertility. So let's just dive right into the video. One of the early signs to help you know if you're pregnant or if it's just your period coming is when you start to have that cramp that feels different. Yes, both period and early pregnancy can come with cramp, but pregnancy cramp tend to be softer, lower, and feels like a gentle pulling. You may feel the cramp slightly on one side, and they often come with a strange fluttery or tugging feeling. Period cramp, on the other hand, usually feels dull, heavy, and often increase over time. Now, the best way to figure this out is if the cramp are light and unusual for you, like totally different from your previous cramps. Sometimes you can experience this with spotting or even no spotting. So this could be early sign of pregnancy. Now, the second one is breast sensitivity or change. Sore breasts are common before period, but in early pregnancy, they tend to feel more intense. They may start to feel fuller, heavier, and the area around the nipple, that's the areola, might start to darken or have bumps around it. And these changes are caused by a sharp rise in progesterone and HCG, that's the pregnancy hormone. So if your breast feels sore in a different way than usual, especially with visible changes, don't ignore it. You might just be having those early signs of pregnancy. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe so other women out there will get to see the video. We are building a space where women don't need to panic or guess what's going on in their body. I'm definitely going to be here to help you understand all those symptoms. Now, the third sign to help you know if you're pregnant or if it's just your period coming is unusual fatigue. You just feel like sleeping, or you woke up tired even after you've slept well. That is not just PMS. In early pregnancy, your body increases progesterone to keep the uterus calm and prepare for implantation, and that hormone can make you absolutely drained. So if you feel a strange, unexplainable tiredness even before your period is late, it could be a signal. And if you've not seen our video on how to tell the difference between implantation bleeding and period bleeding, it's a must watch after this video. The fourth one is changes in discharge. Now, PMS discharge tend to be minimal and dry just before your period. But for pregnancy discharge, it often becomes creamy, white, or milky and increases to keep the vaginal environment safe for the embryo. So if you notice a steady increase in thicker, lotion-like discharge without itching or smell, pay attention to it. It could be a sign. The fifth one is gut and taste change. Before your period, you might feel bloated, but during early pregnancy, your digestion slows even more. You might feel gassy, constipated, or notice a metallic taste in your mouth. Some women even feel slightly nauseous around food or have heightened smell sensitivity even before their period is due. So if your stomach feels off and you're avoiding food you normally love, your body might just be preparing you for pregnancy. As a mother and a nurse, one thing I can tell you for sure is the wait between your ovulation and your period is one of the longest 2 weeks in a woman's life, especially when you're trying to conceive. But now, at least you know what to look out for. If you haven't seen our video on the difference between implantation bleeding and period bleeding, please make sure you do. That video explains the moment your pregnancy begins, implantation, and what causes the bleeding. You don't have to overthink every cramp or twitch, but when you know the signs to look out for, you are not at the mercy of Google. All you need to do is just understand your body. If you've watched up to this point, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't, and share this video to as many women in your life, as many women you know. Just share this video to them. And always remember, your health is your wealth. Little changes makes a big difference. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.